Why I do IMG Business. Hello everyone, this is Roan Celis Capistrano of 1 Million Club. In this video, I will share my personal story about my IMG business. For those who are not familiar with IMG, let me give you a short background. IMG offers total financial solution. International Marketing Group or IMG is one of the biggest and fastest growing financial services marketing company in the Philippines and going worldwide. In IMG, we are focused on educating Filipinos about personal financial strategies. IMG is the marketing arm of companies in the financial industry. We have healthcare provider, life insurance, investment or mutual funds, real estate. We also have providers for non-life insurance and asset preservation. And just this year, we have additional partners like Fidelity Life, Everest, and Ozone International. IMG is patterned in the system of WFG or World Financial Group. WFG is more than 30 years in the US. If you want to learn more about IMG, please check the link below. Bakit ba IMG business ang napili kong gawin? First reason, teaching is my passion. It is very important na pag may gagawin kang negosyo, dapat align sa passion mo. I love teaching, and bago ko pa nalaman ng IMG, mahilig na akong mag-ipon. At nakita ko ang advantage pag may ipon ka. Kaya very blessed ako na may IMG, ang company na tinatawag namin na financial school. I believe na lahat tayo kailangan ng financial literacy. Doctor, security guard, manager, domestic helper, engineer, waiter, accountant, caregiver, seaman, everybody needs financial education. I teach about handling personal finance dahil alam ko na napaka-importante nito sa bawat pamilya. Second, IMG makes me a better person. It tests my patience. Like any other career, may mga challenges din sa IMG business. Ang daming rejection. Yung kausap ko na friend ko, a-attend daw sa seminar 9 a.m. Nasa office ako ng maaga. 9:30 a.m. na, di ko pa rin makontak. Biglang cannot be reached. O kaya kabit ko sa coffee shop. Kung kailan nasa coffee shop na ako, biglang di ako sisiputin at sasabihin na may emergency. Lahat to, pinagtatawanan ko na lang ngayon. I learned to accept the fact that I cannot control everything. Third, it improves other people's lives. I really believe in what we do in IMG. Sino ba naman ang mapapasama pag naturuan mong mag-ipon at mag-invest? Our crusade, we want to deliver the world's financial wake-up call, changing people from spenders to savers. As a financial coach, masayang malaman from my clients na mula nang ma-educate sila how to handle their money, natuto silang mag-ipon at mag-invest para sa future. Fourth, it's a positive community. Malaking factor sa success natin yung community. In IMG, you will be surrounded with positive people. People here are eager to learn at pinaka-importante, napapalibutan ka ng mga saver at investor. Fifth, time and financial freedom. Kung di ako financial coach ngayon, accountant pa rin ako. Mahirap ang pumapasok sa trabaho araw-araw. Konti na lang time mo sa pamilya mo. Aalis ka ng maaga, darating ka ng gabi. Yung anak mo umalis ka ng tulog, darating ka tulog na din siya. I'm glad na i-enjoy ko ngayon ang pagiging mommy dahil wala akong full-time job. Also, I know IMG can help me achieve financial freedom faster through financial education, access and discounts on financial products, and business ownership program. If you want to become a financial educator like me, if you want to avail of IMG Business Ownership Program, you can email me at roancelis@gmail.com or roan@1millionclub.com. If you want to do IMG business, I list down here basic requirements. First, you have to pay IMG membership fee. Fee depends on your current location. Second, you must be willing to start your own savings program. Ang hirap naman na financial educator ka tapos wala kang ipon or investment. Kaiser is our recommended savings program for new associate in IMG business. Third, you must be willing to give time, money, and effort to be successful in this business. Fourth, you must be trustworthy. This business involves money. Your integrity is important here. Fifth, you must be coachable. IMG has business platform or system na. Sa business, importante na may system. System is yung process flow, kung paano mo papatakbuhin ang business. To be successful in this business, you must be willing to learn the system and be coachable. And lastly, you must be willing to serve people, because service is the key to greatness. You can do IMG as a part-time business or as a full-time financial educator like me. If you are a mother, gusto mo mag-quit ng job para maalagaan mo mga anak mo and at the same time you want to earn, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are a blogger or video blogger, if you want to explore internet or online marketing, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are an OFW who wants to have a business, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are an undergrad, a networker, traditional businessman who wants to earn, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are an employee and looking for a backup career, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are a retired employee and still want to have a source of income, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. If you are a nobody and wants to be somebody, maybe IMG business is what you're looking for. I'm proud that I'm part of IMG. To know more about IMG and World Financial Group, please watch these talks from IMG or WFG Financial Educators, Brother Bo Sanchez, Eric Olson, and Vivian Olero.
Proud to be different. We are ready for the challenge. No one else writes our story. We are the turning point, the movement, and together we rise.
IMG family, I want you to be happy that God has blessed you with your business. Your service, your product is the financial freedom, financial well-being of your customer. That's what you want. That's what you're selling. And you go out there with pride. You go out there with joy. There's nothing to be ashamed of a business. This is your business. And I pray that God prosper you.
Is your family worth your best effort? Is your family giving this thing? Is your family worth giving this thing everything you got? I know it is. You know, I care about my family more than anything in the world, and I really want to give my best. You know, they say you only got one life to live, but if you do it right, that one life should be enough.
Ever since I was young, I came from a very poor family. The house we live in has no couch, no bed, no water. There's no decent bathroom. We have to go to the rice field if we want to go to the restroom, right? But then I saw my parents struggle. You know, during storm, we have to wrap all our clothes and sleep in the school because we have to leave all our doors open and all the windows open in the house. But I keep moving because ever since I was young, from family of 5 kids, I'm the middle one and I'm the only one who finished college. And ever since I was young, you know what my father always tell his friends? This is my daughter, Vivian. She's my only hope in life. That's why I keep moving. That's why I'm here. And I want you to realize, why are you here? You got to understand and realize you're here because you want to change your life and you want to change your family's life. I don't want my kids to have the same life that I went through. I'm here because I know what I want. So ask yourself today, why are you here? And why will you continue to move on? And why are you attending all the meetings, doing all the sacrifice? You got to know what you want, and you got to know why you're here. I'll see you all at the top. Thank you.
Again, please email me at roancelis@gmail.com or roan@1millionclub.com if you want to be part of IMG. You may also add me in Facebook, Roan Celis Capistrano. Please subscribe if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.